Well, welcome again to another wonderful Menomonee Falls Downtown District ribbon cutting. We're here with Zarminali Pediatrics, right here on Premier Lane and Appleton Avenue. It's a gorgeous facility, a great team of people, and we're just going to take a few minutes to get to know them. My name is Michelle Free. I'm the district director. It's a great day. We're going to have an open house in a little bit, so we're taking a few moments to get to know everybody. Would you please, Scott, introduce everybody to us?
Hi, I'm Scott Feist. I'm the practice manager here, and we're so excited to be here in Menomonee Falls in this great community and supporting the community right here in the Falls, as well as kids and families in the surrounding area.
Wonderful.
So it's great to be here. I'm here with Dr. Peter Reitar, our pediatrician, our pediatric nurse practitioner, Lindsay Napoli, and our nurse clinical lead, Andrea Marks.
Great. So could you tell us a little bit about who you are and your offering to the downtown?
Dr. Reitar, would you care to?
I'm going to do a wonderful speech shortly about all of this, but I feel we offer a very special pediatric care experience here for many, many reasons. As you can see, this clinic doesn't even look like a normal pediatric clinic. It's very beautiful. There's a lot of touches here that are very thoughtful and intentional, just to make patient visits very lovely. Us as a team, we're very committed to what we do. We're very, very dedicated to providing just an exceptional pediatric care experience. And the organization has a lot of things that it offers, and ourselves as a clinic as well, including same-day visits. We welcome walk-ins because we know what it's like to have a sick little one and you need care. And the organization is expanding care to offer other services for our patients, including behavioral health, speech therapy, etc.
Wow.
So, very special place here and an amazing group of people that I have the privilege of working with.
That is great. And one question we always ask businesses coming in is, why Menomonee Falls?
Lindsay, would you care to speak to that?
So we chose Menomonee Falls because it's a really special community. There are really strong school districts, there's a great downtown that people are really proud of, and the community just continues to invest in itself. But when it came to pediatric primary care, families were needing to commute often 45 minutes or even more to get the care that they needed. So we wanted to bring a really high level of pediatric care right into the city of Menomonee Falls and get to know the schools the children are attending, the coaches that are supporting them, the teachers they're learning from. And that context really allows us to be better clinicians and better partners in the children's care. So we're really excited to be here and really grateful, to the village for allowing us this opportunity.
Absolutely. So the other question we want to know is, how do we get a hold of you?
Yeah. So you can call us 262-310-4450, or you can visit our website at zarminali.com and you can book an appointment, view the physician and the nurse practitioner's bio and a little bit about our company in general.
Wonderful. Well, I encourage you all to come out. We are going to be here till 1 o'clock today, but they're going to be open. Their hours will be posted on their website. It's a gorgeous facility. If I were a little child, I would definitely want to be grabbing the books, sitting in the little nook corners, and waiting for my time to be with a special doctor or nurse. So with that, I want to just leave you here with this, and then we are going to go outside for the actual ribbon cutting.
First of all, welcome to Zarminali Pediatrics. Thanks so much for coming out to support us and celebrate with us for our grand opening. I'm Scott Feist, practice manager. And I'd like to introduce the rest of our incredible team, our pediatrician, Dr. Peter Reitar, our pediatric nurse practitioner, Lindsay Napoli, and our nurse clinical lead, Andrea Marks. Thanks again for coming out. This is a really momentous occasion for us. I'd like to give special thanks to some people. First of all, Village President Jeremy Wall, so appreciate you coming out. Downtown District Director Michelle Free and the district board that came out. We really appreciate all the incredible support that they've given us throughout all of this, as well as the Chamber Executive Director Aaron Miller, and our Senior Director Jill Smith is here, joined us today from Minnesota. And also want to thank our families. We really couldn't do this without their support. So I want to give special thanks to my wife Mindy and Dr. Reitar's wife Lisette, Lindsay's husband Tanner, and Andrea's husband Nick, and their kids and all of their families. In fact, even Lindsay's parents helped out last weekend at Menomonee, or at Memorial Fest when we ran out of popsicles. They came with reserves. So it's really been a family affair, and we appreciate you coming out. So with that, I'd like to turn it over to Dr. Reitar for a few words.
Morning, everybody. Thank you so much for taking time out of your days to come celebrate with us our grand opening of Zarminali Pediatrics, Menomonee Falls. You guys may have driven past our clinic, you may have gone online and looked at our name and said, what a unique name that is. And we will get back to that in just a moment. You know, as you may know, some of our most celebrated organizations that are mission driven come from a story that was very personal to their founders. Our founder, Danish Qureshi, is also a father. And there was a time when him and his family had some concerns about their daughter's health. She ultimately ended up being diagnosed with an underlying autoimmune disorder. And as is the case with many children that get complex medical diagnoses, they find very quickly that they need care outside of their pediatric primary care home. So she needed, like many others, subspecialist care. Therapies are often necessary and specialized medication management. What they also found, as many other families find, is that this medical journey can be quite frustrating. There can be poor communication between primary care providers and specialists. You know, and just in general, coordination of care can be all over the place. Out of this frustration, however, something really beautiful came, and that is the inspiration to conceive what we have here today, Zarminali Pediatrics, and its vision for a better pediatric care experience. So how do we do that? What makes us so different? Well, I think you notice the minute you walk into our beautiful clinic that it doesn't look like a normal pediatrician's office. Everything is thoughtfully and intentionally there so you have a better patient experience. From the colors to the lighting, to the lines that flow throughout our clinic, little touches like our lactation rooms. It's just simply a beautiful place to be. I think that what really makes this place special is the people, and I'm very proud and very lucky to work with such an amazing group of people. We are very dedicated and passionate about providing the very best pediatric primary care experience for you. And what that means to us is that from the moment you walk into the building, to how you are greeted, to how you are roomed in the room, to how us as providers take care of you, we want you to feel warmly welcomed, listened to, and truly nurtured. As a provider myself, what it means to provide an outstanding experience, it means that we take time with you, that we sit down, we listen, we learn what's important to you and your child, and we collaborate. There are no such things, such as silly questions or concerns here. If it is concerning to you, it is concerning to us, and we want to be there for you. We, all of us here, we are parents as well, and we know what it's like to have a very sick one in the middle of the night. We want to make sure that child gets care as quickly as possible so they feel better. It is with this in mind that we offer same-day visits, and we welcome you for walk-in visits as well. We want to be able to look you in the eye and say, we are here for you truly. Lastly, Zarminali Pediatrics prides itself and has a mission to make patient care flow seamlessly. And to that end, we are expanding our services to include behavioral health, speech therapy, occupational therapy, lactation services, and also subspecialist care. Now, coming right back to that name, that unique name, Zarminali, where does it come from? Well, if you may recall, I was telling you about our founder's daughter, the same one that was diagnosed with that autoimmune disorder. Her name is Zarmina. And Zarmina translates into something that is more precious to you than gold. With that in mind, that is how we would like our children to be treated. And this is how we intend to care for your children. Welcome to Zarminali Pediatrics, Menomonee Falls. Thank you.
And with that, I'd like to introduce our village president, Jeremy Walls.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. As village president, I'm thrilled to welcome Zarminali Pediatrics to Menomonee Falls. Our village thrives when our families thrive. Access to exceptional health care is a cornerstone of a strong, healthy community. This beautiful new facility represents a major investment in our collective future. To the team at Zarminali Pediatrics, thank you for choosing Menomonee Falls. Thank you for your dedication to keeping our children healthy, safe, and strong. We are proud to partner with you. We look forward to seeing your positive impact for generations to come. Congratulations to the entire team, and welcome to our community. And with that, I'd like to do the countdown for the ribbon
All
cutting.
right, ladies, let's lift it. There you go. Good job.
Ready? 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.